A driver's license in one country is not always enough to enable a person to drive in another country legally. So we have the idiom, something is enough to enable a person to drive. There's purpose there. In some of these answer choices, we have enough for driving, which is a common GMAT switch. You don't use for plus the gerund when you're trying to express purpose or use, so we can get rid of C and E. Choice B, it is not always enough to have a driver's license in one country in order to drive in another country legally. This is grammatically correct, but it is not always enough is a passive construction when we don't really need one. We can just say a driver's license is not always enough. And then D, having a driver's license in one country, it is not always enough in order to drive in another country legally. This modifying phrase, having, there's no noun or person who is doing the having in this sentence. So this modifier is left kind of hanging out there. Not really. It's in theory modifying it, but this it is the passive construction, the impersonal passive. It is not always enough. Not an actual pronoun referring to something earlier. So we can get rid of D and select A.